English subject because in school speech in school the student just learn English subject, but they don't know how to speak English. But English learning English is very different than speaking English. If we learn English, so we just when we are in our school, our teachers tells that read this lesson and learn the question answer of this lesson. So lots of students just learn the question but don't understand its real meaning. So this is also a difference between English language and English subject. So what can you say?
Yes, I am totally appreciate with you. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Vedika Dado and I am current student of Edison Easy English and I am studying in 8th class. So now this topic is what is different between English language and English subject. So you know that English subject and what is mean by English subject and English language. We also learn English subject before 10, but after 12 we get a job, we choose our field. That's time we should improve our English language. Without English language we cannot get any job, we cannot get our confidence. And we also now this time suppose in our class we also speaking English language, so we can also know what do you mean by English language by the angle of me. In front of you we also speaking in English language, but you also learn English subject that for 6 months 12 months we also learn English language, and we write English exam, and that we pass that exam. We also pass, but our confidence with our confidence we learn mostly. So what can you say about?
Yeah, I am totally agree with you. Firstly, I introduce myself Bhakti Patikar, and now I am learning in the 7th class, and I am also a current student of the Edison Easy English spoken classes. Now we are discussing about our topic, which is the what is the difference between in the English language and the English subject. There are the more and more difference in the English language and the English subject. Thus we learn in our school, that is our English subject, and just we are speaking here, that is our English language. Means if we know the in the school we learn the lesson, we learn that question answer, but that we can't say that is the English language. But we are speak,
Yes, we also learn that question and write that exam. So we pass that exam. But
Yes.
English language is most important by the angle.
Yes, for example, in our exam, our teacher add a unseen passage in our exam. That's time lots of students don't know the real meaning of this passage. So they don't solve the passage. It is a very bad thing for us because we just learn English subject, not English language. If we learn English language, it is also helpful for our future. In after 12th, if after 12th, after graduation, we gave to another company to take a job, but the manager take our interview. So that's time we don't know how to speak English because we have. Because in past we just learn English subject. We can't learn other interview, means at that time we learn. Now this time the question and answer, and the many types of question answer, means the science, English, and the many subjects we learn. But if we are going to give the interview, at that time we can't go by learning, means
Yes.
we know what question they are asking to us or things about.
Yes, in interview we also sir also tell us about any question, but we also improve that thing that we tell us in English language. But in our English subject we write in our paper that we learn. And sometime in lesson that question is in front of you and we learn that question. So we get perfectly that question answer. So now this time this era teacher also tell that some about any topic, that is essay, that's some education and so on topic that in front of you. Without English language we can't write this topic. in this era, confidence and English language and also English subject is both is also important. But we also speak English language. This time confidence is most important in our life. Without confidence, we cannot achieve our goal. So lastly, I would suggest you we also learn English language and improve our skill and speak English language in front of all.
I think you will know something. I think you know difference between the English subject and English language. So if you learn English language perfectly, so you achieve your goals. As you say, if we achieve our goals, if we don't depend on our parents, so it is also a proud thing for us. So what can you say?
Yeah, I'm totally agree with you. Lastly, I wanted to suggest you, if we learn the English subject at that time we can learn. But we know at the exam we write the essay at that time. If we learn the English language at that time, we can write that essay and the letter with easily. So thank you. This is enough for us.